me bunkutodwe number 2 ye Rafa Nyomakins be bunkutodwe bi ana mo nkwa na eko otiedwa mu fo no nkwa na eko say ye pa cho bibia ye nua be man kan bi afacha ye bi nsi bi na omo de ama omo social media team no ma to 50 pesos credit no ma ba foolish MPP for nyina abodam MPP for nyina ma be di atab no ma for mo de eko because of onipa ba ko bi mistake. I'm not sure enya adwuma me we I'm going to call them member consider feedback
When na you no kra na ndra na
man can also what said that.
until I make us me nya quite sure because me who on Facebook me who on TikTok no me ankasa no I wasn't happy with what he said yesterday but on say nipa de oye na downfall so whatever discussion they've had no, I am not privy to. I don't know if you get my point. I'll call him personally and find out. So some more can and run. Is it true? So this is the flyer I've been seeing. So I'm happy someone has said say a fake. Yeah, one more try.
Yeah, because I mean, didn't he insult Dr. Mahama Baumia? What did he apologize? He did not. But you know, we're not politics.
And I apologize for your friends. It's about the economy stupid, no. And some you'll be back apologizing.
Now, I mean, look at how they insulted Nana Danko Fad.
We didn't have blood running through.
They should. I know they shouldn't even bring that. Hey, I can't go for before.
And come see a boy. Munyo biama munyo. And you see ye.
Ekuya, omunya kwesa de na ahu. Omunya kwesa de na omedane ade no mpokura asa be gumu so.
Now this time they are fortunate. Look at the kind of love amu show tire. Tio. Debi ameka me nkasa me ka bibia bomaba so say me pese me de yese bia moye but no kura e wo ho anu aka. Ye wo opposition o. Look at the kind of love. Mo ka some ye t-shirt kwa me age me nsam mpo. So ye wo opposition to ye bibisa you break the spirit of the party down. Oh, Kwako apologize. So why you day? Do you apologize for something that you've not done? You are going to apologize for what? Are you confirming charges or more than so? Is that what you are trying to tell us? And you see, when I go and fight on this, Omega said, Jennifer, the open tokwa and open tokwa. But oh yeah, then if excuse my word, it doesn't make sense to me. You are right. This is question, Anna.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
For what you're saying? For what?
Wow. Yes,
Ropi, you are the this rose, you did two him say, Queen. So, Bisa, not say, I'm pa. No, my way say, ye na you from no, yes, say, yen pension.
So, Doctor, you part me show me catch him say, Queen, I am for the end, and Kabaya, my enemy, no powerful. Yes, you can't afford to disappoint your supporters genuinely, voluntarily, or maybe your dog, actually, your dog, whilst we are in opposition. And trust me, majority of you, you buy crabby or one free. What you say? If you come on your free, but look at the sacrifices. It's a dependent on your hodo, a buy a boy. I'm quite sure, say, why your platform, why your life, cry, I defend the Apple protected.
Broad times.
No, not just after 1 week. Some few days now. Yeah, then you come and tell party for say, you are going to apologize for something that you've not done. I had an issue with Obi family member. Me mama saying for peace sake, you part on. I'm saying my spirit I don't just apologize for things that I have not done. I didn't do it. I didn't do it because wouldn't be my mentor. NPP when young pa, The moment I'm walking up on a bay news, no, they will make a story out of it. And I actually want to come back patch. Now, Mammy Carry was some back on Tremo. Revelation via titles global. Yes, sir. Time one. I was somebody showing to me now. Time one, a friend is saying. Time one or more parliament, you know. Now, as a double
salary.
What do you call it, Kura?
Omoje double salary no.
Omoje double salary no. Omo a pleading say there's a Akufo Addo. Why will you go and plead on this? Why?
Right.
Nipa onene ya de okase for when you hwe so hwe ade be free so ababebo when you say we pleaded on his behalf. And you see, there be ameka say in certain situation no yen kasa don't talk. Sometimes me ade am here protecting me comes no. Asamba gidigidi pa I relaxed after 1 week. Nothing must start take count once because that time no information be no aye de wanya why ya be a party ni kura nim say mo na mo ye because me personally I have sat on TV and radio questioning why double salary for they were not punished Only for you, 4 years later, you come and tell us, say, Muna mu pleaded. You pleaded for them for what?
Exactly.
To gain what? At the end of the day, when you pleaded with them, look at the rumble style of Mode Chichimo. Me, I'm a new car.
Oh.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
Come on, Jimmy car. But what you here?
Yeah.
And so the NDC for and Crawford boa or money are there. NDC for minimum Crawford boa media me about power in Yamianim Ukraine. I had about 400 people on scholarship, foreign scholarship. Me just a minimum one son of my yama. Because and Crawford when young Crawford. Because so and yashe why Ghana and of course me case why Zimbabwe ni me case of Mozambique. Yes. Why Ghana ni but ye no aduane wo fie. Wa mo obusu afobia ni abonti so ni be dia wo ma no ye hwehwe ni.
Yes.
It's me anybody who came my way I was able to Nyankopon adom enye ma ho odin. I was able to sort omo out. I have about 700 to 800 people in security agencies, fire, migration, prisons, police, customs, military. Sometimes a typical 510 na me hu nipa me fama no. Man ton mo obi ada. Men come fan some home run you but me ka kwa say the little that we did and na many people be inside G party who be my head then. You wo ho. It is asama si party ni de omu bibia a lot of them went to stay there for 3, 4, 5 days.
Yeah.
Said da Iroko. Obuso mu nko ba bia. Me no ka say national organizer ya che no. Ya chi obi time a won to be dem no. Emo aye so akoye comment bi say John Mama on namu nche nya no bi ne de kofa fanti comedy ko won ni. But ya guy ya che no. Guy ya che no. As I speak with you, what them yaman 10 days. Enra, yaman 10 days for them. Is it not sad? Yes. A lot is happening. I make us a platform. You didn't know who is screen recording. Yes, TikTok. I'm afraid be screen recording.
Yeah, I'm screen recording.
Na. What Obia be dear chile ya china kotumo ko them 10 days. Look at the trauma the family will go through. I am even looking for that person. Your deputy national organizer na kasa say we have to go to the family. We have to pay him a visit. I will prison one night then Then some few days later you come and tell us jokingly whether you meant it or now the idea go to say we dey baka kopa John Mahama cho ochina the best friend say yes no on fanche. Na me kokan no ma baka say Jennifer Pento na Jennifer de bia na me ko just because I'm fighting for party for. Why do you want to disappoint party for? They supported the whole thing. You are going to apologize to Mama for what?
Admitted it to be programmed by the clerk. I have read a statement by Honorable Stephen Namua once in the chamber. I have admitted it to be transmitted. But because Speaker called me to take the chair, I could not read through the statement of my friend Jerry Ahmed. So there is no indication whether it's been admitted or it's not. This is my copy.
Mr. Speaker.
That's the point I'm making.
Mr. Speaker, the able minority leader gave an indication that the member is going to make the statement with regards to the striking nurses. Mr. Speaker, and if you read Order 93.1 properly, it says that, Mr. Speaker, by the indulgence of the House and the leave of a Speaker, a member may explain a matter of personal nature or make a statement on a matter of urgent public importance. Mr. Speaker, people are dying in our hospital as a result of the striking nurses. This is a
Honorable
matter
Habib,
of
kindly resume your seat.
Honorable
Habib, kindly resume your seat. If you want to make an urgent statement taking advantage of Order 93.1 and 67, you ought not to have put it in writing requesting that I should admit or not to admit. Is that the procedure? When your leader has been raising matters of urgent public importance,